Welcome back everyone to a very, very exciting episode of Prado 150 Out of Here. In today's episode, I'm going to be installing iTech World's ultra slim 300 amp hour lithium battery into my Caravan. The reason for this is that these two batteries on the outside here that came with Jayco, they're lithium batteries, but the only problem with having them right there is that I do like to take this Jayco Crosstrack off-road, and that is very susceptible to being damaged, as you can imagine. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be deleting these two batteries, which are 120 amp hours each, and I'm going to be putting one of iTech World's ultra slim lithium batteries inside the Caravan under the bed. Now I know there's legislation on how they are to be installed, and that's why I'm going to be trusting Max Caravans up the road here on Euston Road at Glenvale. I'm just about to take the van up there to get this battery installed. Now I just want to give you the specs of this battery because it's a new product from iTech World. So it's the ultra slim deep cycle lithium battery, and it also comes Bluetooth, so you can monitor the state of your battery on your mobile phone, which is a great thing from iTech World. 82 millimeters thin, so there's a lot of places that this battery can be put. So I'll just run through dimensions: 862 by 82 by 374 millimeters. It has the M8 terminals, the screw terminals there, M8 size. It's a lithium Life Pro PO4 battery. Now it discharges at 200 amps constant, maximum 640 amps for 5 seconds. Cut-off voltage is 10 volts. 5-year warranty from iTech World. And I suppose the best part about it is that it's ultra slim, and it also comes with its own battery management system sitting in there. So what I've done is I've also purchased a product which is the AC lithium battery charger, 40 amp, and I've been charging my 300 amp hour battery, so she's all ready to go when we go down to Max Caravans and they're going to install it. So there are a few things that we have to do. We have to give it its own compartment, and it has to be vented through the floor, so it has to have its own venting system, and I'm going to entrust all of that over to Max Caravan. I reckon it's time to connect up this Caravan, and let's head on over.
I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm celebrating my liberation.
Hey Steve.
Mate, this is Coffee Can, mate. Coffee Can, what are you doing on that van?
You're putting me to work.
You're the cappuccino, was it?
Oh, thank you. That'll do me.
And Cameron's the flat white, I think.
He's hiding around here somewhere.
All right, they got you on the tools too, mate.
Yeah. You have a preferred spot?
Steve, how are you, mate?
Yeah, good, mate. And you?
Oh, I'm very well, mate.
How's things?
New battery time.
You betcha, mate.
So, yeah, the two boxes, they've been deleted.
Very, very
You know
good.
what happens when I go a bit crazy with this van, mate? Do you know what happens with those boxes?
I can only think bad things.
Yeah, one day they'll come off. So, yeah, they're coming off.
Yeah. Have
The
you got...
iTech World battery's replacing it.
Yep.
And, yeah, you're going to ask me where a good spot is, aren't you?
I am.
It has to get up against the wall, and probably there's less cable that you're going to need.
Yeah.
Let's have a look, eh? What do you reckon?
Well, there's
I'm
an
happy
ample space.
I'm happy, probably not just here, because, you know, things come through there, so it might get damaged. So, back corner
We could do that.
on this wall. It's got things to...
Mounting points.
Mounting points, that's it. Mounting points, mate. It's got mounting points, that will be right.
Excellent. That's up to the pros, up to the technicians.
Yeah. Well, I'm happy to make it easy for them as well. So, yeah, the only other place is up the top here. But
No, we want to try and keep it as close to the inverter as we can.
Yeah, and the other thing too, we're going to have to air it.
Yes, like
So you're going to
box it in the area.
You're going to put a hole in my floor.
You betcha.
So obviously that's going to be easier than up on that.
It makes it easier to secure it and box it so that it's
All right.
okay.
No, I'm happy to work in that.
Perfect.
Sounds good, mate.
All right. I'll let the boys do their work.
No worries, mate. Well, things are starting to happen. We're just taking the external boxes off, or taking those batteries out. I've just turned the projector, which is what Jayco have, the whole battery management system thing, so that's turned off, and the boys are going to get straight into it. Now, we're just talking about whether the iTech World battery, the Slimline, it looks pretty sealed, and we were just, working out whether that would suffice the requirements. So what we're going to do is these guys are going to make up a box to seal that battery, and just put a hole in the floor of the Caravan, and that'll suffice that requirement of having a sealed vented area in your living area. So if you guys are looking at putting any batteries or lithium battery into your Caravan, make sure you've got to actually seal the battery completely. It's not good enough just being under the bed, and then have that little vent underneath your floor for any escapage of any gases. This battery, it looks pretty awesome, eh? So I've pulled out the app to check on how many amp hours I've got, because I've fully charged it. Even though it's a 300 amp hour battery, it's showing 316 amp hours. How good's that? Can't wait to get this thing happening and see how it performs. Look at that.
You just have to cut a hole through the floor here and run all your wiring from there.
Yeah.
Put some remote terminals under there so you can connect everything back up, and then just runs in your leads to this battery.
You got that all long enough for you?
Hey?
All the leads are all long enough?
We'll have to make some new ones.
Well, the boys are making a box here for me. Got it all happening here at Max Caravans. So this will cover up the lithium batteries, so we all are legal and comply with what's required when you put a lithium battery under your bed. Oh, where'd the battery go? How good is that? You wouldn't even know it was there, would you? Nice. How good. Where are we? Anything on that side? Worth looking at? Oh yeah, see that go in there. Nice. So what would you be saying you're almost done?
Yep.
How awesome is that? Just putting the lid back on.
That way.
Cameron, mate. So once again, I've been back. Got some more
You're
work
back
done on my
again,
Caravan. Yep.
And I must thank you, mate, for your continued support for Max Caravan Centre.
No.
And hope we meet your expectations.
Oh well, mate, that's why I come back here.
That's good to know. Yeah.
So, those of you who don't know, Cameron, he's the you're the owner, correct?
Yes,
Of
yes.
Max Caravan Centre.
Yes.
It's Max Caravan Centre, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
We've had a few name changes, but now we call Max Caravan Centre.
Yeah. And what's your main role? Well, I see you're all over the place, mate. You got the tools going.
I put out the fires,
Yeah.
and also I look after the insurance side of it.
Okay.
We have management staff
Yep.
to look after the day-to-days, but I run around, get a bit dirty, filling in the gaps, mate. That's my job.
But how good's that? The owner
that's
of the
good.
business that's out there on the tools with his staff,
No,
you know,
I like
doing
to
some
make sure
work.
everything's spot on, so I'm looking over all the guys' shoulders and making
Yep,
sure everything's
yep.
spot on. So I want to run a tight business, and I want the repeat customers like you.
Yep. No, that's good, mate. So, all right, well, mate, once again, thank you. You guys do an
Michael.
awesome job. That's why I keep coming back. And I'm looking forward to
You've got
getting
plenty of
some
power.
years. I've got
now.
plenty of power now, that's for
Plenty
sure.
of power. More power, mate.
Yeah, more power to me, is that right?
Okay, mate. Thanks, mate.
All right, see you later, eh?
See you, mate.
Well, here we go. We're all connected up. So I've got the iTech World here. I've just got to reset that now to show the 300 amps on there, because it's still showing 240, which is what I had before. So I'll get that sorted when I get home. So let's just while we're here, let's just bring up that app, eh? So yeah, relatively easy install, and they've done a nice little box for me as well, which you saw there. App, iTech World app for the battery. See how good's that? So it's showing 314 actually of 314 amp hours capacity. So that's good. Turn some lights on and see what happens. And so there you go. So I'll go and put all the stuff back in the car, connect up the Caravan, and we're all done for the day.